Okay, this is Joey and Brennan, and we're opening a box of Target exclusive Upper Deck 2007-2008. And I just ruined the box. Oh well. And none of those look thick. That's cool. Thomas Vanek, Generation Next. None of these are thick. That sucks. Nothing. All I want is a Mark Denis base. I'd be happy. No, not really. But looks like a Hometown Heroes. Paul Stastny. Yes. That's right.
Please.
Yeah.
The one Hometown Heroes.
The one that I want. Yeah.
Yeah. What's it then?
That's our hometown, baby. Nothing. Corey Perry, Generation Next.
No way.
It's a Young Guns Wyman.
Okay, you got an Avalanche hot box here.
Zetterberg Morrow.
Nice.
Yes. Young Guns Wyman. He only played like what? How many games?
Played in preseason. In training camp. Here.
Brett Clark, Avalanche. Okay, I want Denis. I do. Nothing.
Yeah. Pittsburgh next.
Generation Next, Jordan Stahl. Young Guns, Corey Murphy. Don't know anything about him. I think I should have bought the other box.
You got a Stastny Hometown and a Wyman rookie. What the heck?
That's a cool card.
Last one.
Come on. All I want is a Denis base. I know that sounds lame, but that's all I want. God dang it. Alright, bye-bye.